Have you ever tasted a combination of oranges and banana smoothie? If not, this is the best video for you because even for me, I've never tasted the combination, and that's why I'm trying it today for the first time with you guys. So anyway, without wasting time, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My good name is Purity, and today we are doing a cooking, yeah, because I'm in the kitchen, it's kind of a cooking video, but we are doing a different thing. We are going to blend oranges and banana. Now we'll be making oranges and banana smoothie. So stick it here, stay tuned, watch till the end, and let's see what are going to be the results. So let's do it. Here are the bananas. They are so ripe. They're so ripe. And here are my oranges. And they are those good ones. You see, guys? Yeah. So I just want us to start immediately, quickly, without wasting time. Then we see what will happen. So first things first. Am I visible? Yeah. Start washing my oranges. Don't know how many I'm. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's enough, and that's one. Then how many bananas? Let's see. I think five. Five is enough. Yeah, so let me wash. I'm washing my oranges, guys. Yeah, they are ready. Yeah, so here is my blender. This is what we'll be using. Yeah, so let me bring it closer so you see what I'm doing, right? So I want to start putting my bananas inside here. It's just easy and simple, and you'll have you enjoying your smoothie without using any energy. So use my knife. Just cut them into smaller pieces, and they are ripe, guys. See, so ripe. Oh my god. This is how we do it This is my first time trying it. I don't know how it will come out, but I hope it will come out nicely. So I've never tried this. I've never tried this. And the last banana is here. Yeah, so I'm done with the bananas. So let me dispose these peels. Then we start preparing the oranges. Yeah, so we are here. Don't know if you guys see well. Let me share. Yeah. Yeah. That's so nice. See? We do manually with my hands. That side I go quickly. Oh, the juice. Oh my god. My camera. Guys, these are the pieces. So just putting inside. Oh, my camera. So juicy. I can't wait to taste how it will slap, guys. So oh my god, sorry. Yeah, so the next orange. So guys, I'm done peeling the oranges. They're already inside here. So I want to add milk. This is 250 ml. So yeah, that's milk, guys. Then we now start blending. So let's turn on the other side. We blend our smoothie and we'll see how it will come out. So let's go. My goodness, guys, see what we have here. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So let me put, I see. Yeah, our smoothie. Yeah, oh my god, oh my god. Super yummy. I can't wait to take it. Let me taste. Mm. Oh wow, oh wow. Mm. Mm. Guys, I recommend you to go and try this smoothie. A combination of oranges and bananas, then you add milk inside. You'll come and tell me how it worked on your side, because for me here, oh my goodness, I don't know why I've never tried such a thing. I don't know why I've never tried such a thing, because oh my goodness, tell me why. Such a thing, you're just relaxed, then you're enjoying, watching a movie. Mm. Ah. Guys, I'll be doing more of this, trying different smoothies, different types of fruits. I'll be trying them here with you guys, because oh my god, oh my god. Mm. So amazing. Mm. This one, I'm waiting for my son to wake up, then I put some for him. I will see his reaction, but I know he will love it. I know he would love it. And if he does, I'll be doing more and more of this with the different types of fruits. And also Village Echoes, I know he will love it. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I just love it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video until this point. Now, without forgetting my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always being here for me. Whenever I post a video, you're there to watch, comment, subscribe, and share to as many people as you can. I do appreciate. And if it's your first time coming across this channel, kindly don't leave, because this is the best place to be. As you can see, we've started blending smoothies. You are not even ready. So stick it here, guys. Subscribe, put your notifications on, so that anytime I upload a video, you become the first one to be notified. Yes. Oh my goodness. So amazing. Mm. Wow. Mm. See, guys, I don't know if you can see. Mm. It's so nice. So let me end this video as I enjoy my smoothie in peace. So see you guys again when I post another video. Keep sharing, keep subscribing, keep commenting. Let me know in the comment section what you think about today's video, and rate my smoothie out of 10, because this is my first time and I done it. I know, guys, I did it well, right? So let me know in the comment section. Huh? Yay! Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited because I did this for the first time and it came out so nice. So rate my smoothie out of 10, guys. So anyway, see you on my next video, and from me to you, it's a bye bye. Love you guys.